one hotel. What we do for love. We do it because we love love. We do it because our parents are amazing examples of what marriage is supposed to be. And I can't stress enough how grateful I am that all of you guys have given it your entire heart.
It goes without saying, you girls, our team, are absolutely incredible. There has been so many people who brought this to fruition, and the fact that we're sitting here at our 10-year with you guys, we are so immensely grateful. We absolutely, undevotedly, and undyingly love you guys, and thank you for everything.